Hello everybody, my name's Becky Morgan. I'm the president of Fulcrum ConsultingWorks, and I'm committed to helping every mid-sized manufacturer reach its full potential. And these days, that includes purposeful generation, capture, and analysis of data to increase value to the market. Too many of you are drowning in a sea of data already, and that's before inviting big data in. The bigger and more complex your ERP system, the more data you generate. Much of it without specific purpose in mind. Excel spreadsheets, CAD drawings, emails, and PDF files lie dormant on your servers, waiting for somebody to use them or get rid of them. As the forms and sources of data expand and eliminating data seems heresy, the question is, how do I harness the power of data to bring more value to the market? Before you get too excited about data, take a look at your own. Is your internally generated and managed data sufficiently accurate to use in decision making? Do you use it that way? Most manufacturers collect data far beyond what they need to run the business well, and that increases costs. I encourage you to determine why you collect and store data you don't use. Often it's just to feed the machine of ERP or product lifecycle management software. Other times, it's the "we always have" syndrome. I know data storage is cheap, but sorting through it to find what you actually need is not. And the costs of bad decisions fueled by inaccurate or old data can be huge. Ask yourself, before we use data, do we ensure we can apply appropriate analytical skills and that the data is timely, high quality, and easily available? For example, if you use time series data to project sales, does your forecast process include separating signal from noise, selection of the optimal model, and the right data? Some use actual shipment data, which may or may not reflect what the customer wanted. Gut feel can provide superior results to poor modeling using bad data, but that doesn't make it a good option. Now, as you plan for Industry 4.0, here are a few required initial questions to answer before spending resources on whiz-bang technology. What is the business purpose of generating new data? Who is the data for, and how do we ensure that it's used appropriately? Who's responsible for data lifecycle management? Whether your intention is to reduce internal unplanned downtime or extend machine life, or to capture usage data to help customers or to improve your design, or some other business purpose, ensure that your plan to generate, capture, and analyze data meets those goals. Sensors, like data storage, are cheap. That doesn't mean that more is better. I encourage you to incorporate these questions into your data management strategy so you don't drown in a sea of data. If you would like to discuss how to leverage 4.0 in your product management and operations strategies, let me know. I don't recommend or sell technology. I simply help you ensure that the strategy behind the data supports your vision and values. Thanks for joining me for this session on harnessing the power of data.